Right, this is the start of the Bridgestone Adventure Trail. Expert only. Don't know, no, not for me. Don't know if that was where I was going to go, but anyway. Yeah, 30 kilometers of adventure, fun and dreams. Let's get it. I've got enduro mode activated. Let's see what this thing could do with no luggage and no Lucie. Should probably be a little careful. We have got a 3-hour ride home on this bike. Don't want to smash it to pieces. Yeah, Bridgestone Trail. Here we go. Whoa, that's bumpy. Oh, so overtaking is allowed. Right, let's follow these guys then. Right, coming through, dude. Ooh. There we go. Oh yeah, technical trails. We got it. Right, we're going to try an expert only. See how it goes. So the Bridgestone Trail appears to have these little sections where they mark as expert only, where it just reroutes you a slightly more difficult way to give you a bit more of a challenge, and then sort of back to the main route. And it's up to you if you want to try or not. Like that, something else. Thank you. Oh ho, okay, I see why. Come on, keep it up, right? Ooh. Ooh. There we go. Okay, thank you. Woo. Ooh. Come on. Yeah. Cheers. Ooh. Crikey. Ooh. Cheers, mate. Fuck me. It's slippy. Yeah. Yeah. Cheers, mate. Oh, that was a bit harder than yesterday, but I think we're all good. Everyone's in one piece. Shit me, this guy's doing it on a scooter. We got some technical rocky sections here with ruts. This is not what I thought it would be, this trail. It's way better. Guy back there just said you can go down the road if you want, or carry on and it gets muddy and rutted. I said I've got to give it a go. That's why I'm here. It's an adventure bike festival. Woohoo! That didn't quite go to plan. I was doing well. I was absolutely humming along, full beans, and this gravel corner was just way more gravelly and more cornery than I thought it would be. And it was either turn more and bin it, for sure it would have slid out, or brake as much as I could and then ride into a ditch, and I ended up in the ditch. Luckily, not a scratch on the bike. Let's get back on the trail. Everything seems okay. Yeah, everything seems good. fucking bumpy here. Woohoo! And there we are, adventure trail done, back at Ragley Hall. Yeah, that was awesome. That was really awesome. That was way better than I thought it would be. I expected like gravel roads just cruising around the grounds, but no, that was sick. That was technical, that was challenging, it was fun, and you can ride into ditches for fun. But look, all in one piece. Phew!